How to delete Discord account without password. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete your Discord account without your password. First thing first, go ahead and open up the application. And once you open up your Discord, in order to delete your account, you would first head over to the U tab at the bottom right and then click on Settings. Once you get to Settings, you can tap on Accounts. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll find the account management tab where you have an option to disable account and delete account. So if you want to delete your account permanently, you own servers. So in order to delete or disable your account, you must transfer your ownership of all servers that you own. So just tap on OK. And if you tap on OK, you can transfer your ownership. But what happens is it will ask you for your password. So in order to reset that password, even if you try to change password, you will need your current password. So what you can do here is, in order to change it, you can open up a web browser and then go to discord.com. Now once you get to the login page, just all you have to do is turn on the desktop side if you don't have the login page. And once you turn it on, you have an option called Forgot Password. Click on it. Now just click on Forgot Password and it will send you a verification on your email. But first, you have to enter your email that's connected to your account. Then click on Forgot Your Password. And they will send you a reset link on your email. So tap on OK. And once you do that, just go ahead and check your email. So I'm going to open up my Gmail here. And Discord right here has sent me a reset password link. So if I tap on this button, I'm able to enter a new password right away. So if you've forgotten your previous password, you can enter a new password like this, save it, and when you go to delete your account again, then you will be able to simply go ahead and delete account without having to enter your previous password. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.